my name's Brooke with WTI, and I love my gut health, and that's why Sandhu's fermented L-Glutamine is really helpful for me. Achieve the gut health that I want. Sometimes I have bloating, and it's so bad that I look like I'm 2 months pregnant, and it just goes away in the morning so that I know that it's bloating. And this is doing a great job for me in keeping that bloat down. I love how easy this is to use with 1 scoop in each glass, and it's quickly dissolved. There's 100 servings per container. It supports healthy aging. It's great for brain function and rehydrating of the muscles. So after a long day, this is wonderful for your recovery, and I feel like it's wonderful for my immunity. And it's just something so simple and easy to add to my healthy lifestyle. It only has 1 ingredient in it, and it gives me what I want, and it's exactly all I need is L-glutamine, and there is no taste to this. I don't have any odd taste in my mouth after drinking it. It's so easy to drink because I put 1 scoop in and mix it, and it blends in really quick with the water. So it doesn't take a lot of effort or work for me. This is great if you work out too for getting a quicker recovery, and that's why I love it so much, and that's my point of view.